DEGSON 2CDGKRP through wall connector. Both sides of the plastic part are equipped with brass nuts. When locking the plate, there is no need to prepare nuts separately. Compared to traditional structures, this product adopts an integrated structure with efficient locking plate and better vibration resistance. Standardized interface. Plug products are compatible with new and old sockets, making device iteration and upgrading more convenient. 2CDGKRP products are widely used in industrial automation and wind power variable pitch systems, helping to efficiently and stably